day to all, especially to you, sir. Today, I explain the different shape of IALA A and B and the meaning of cardinal marks.
IALA A is used by countries in America, most of Asia, Australia, Europe, and India. And IALA B is used by countries in North, Central, and South America, Japan, Korea, and the Philippines. Cardinal marks is located in the north, west, south, and east to indicate the direction of the mark is which the Japanese navigation water lies to draw attention to a bend, junction, a ford in the channel, or to mark the end of the show. Also, cardinal marks is used to signify a danger show where the safety spotter can be found. What is meaning of danger?
The danger of cardinal marks is the indicate the presence of the danger of self of the well or risk of harm harness of the potential risk of harm or injury. And that's all. Thank you.